Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about radishes, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with radishes. So if you're looking for some new ideas, something a little different to do with radishes, hopefully this will help you out. Radishes go well with basil, capers, cayenne, celery salt, chervil, chives, cilantro, curry powder, dill, garlic, lovage, marjoram, mint, mustard, oregano, parsley, pepper, rosemary, salt, and thyme. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.